Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. So as if you're facing this problem while using your App Store, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen, and from here watch this video till the end, and here I will give you some possible solutions that will help you to fix this problem in your iPhone. So the very first solution is that you will have to simply change the password for your Apple ID in your iPhone. So for that, open up settings in your device, and from here tap on your profile, and from here scroll it below and tap on sign in and security, and from here tap on change password, and from here enter your passcode for your iPhone, and from here simply change your password, and after this go back, and from here you will have to scroll it below and tap on sign out. So as once you change your password, sign out your Apple ID and then restart your device, and after this sign back again your Apple ID in your iPhone. So guys, after this check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, if you're still facing this problem, then go for the other solution, that is you will have to open up any browser in your device. Like I am opening my Google Chrome and search here for support.apple.com. Here it is, Apple support, and from here tap on Apple support again and wait for some seconds, and from here simply select your device and scroll it below, all the way, and from here tap on get support. So it's from here tap on start now, and here you will have to explain your problem regarding your Apple ID problem. So as you will have to simply explain your problem in here, and after this Apple team will contact you within 24 hours and they will try to fix this problem for you. So guys, in this way you can easily fix this problem in your iPhone. So I thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.